Hey guys, and welcome to another Ace Fun Time.
Awesome sauce!
Awesome sauce! So first of all, I just wanted to say thank you very much for everyone who's left comments and likes on our videos and on our channel. Thanks very much, we really appreciate it. Don't we, little fella?
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks very much, guys, seriously. So now, let's tear open this egg.
Come on.
What's on the front? Star Wars.
Yeah, and then there is a
Who?
Stormtrooper.
Stormtrooper. They're the good fellas, yeah?
Yeah. No, the bad fellows.
They're the bad fellas, like this guy.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's rip it open.
Yeah.
Go. Come on. Let's rip this guy open. Oh.
Well,
Oh, wow. What's inside, buddy? Oh, look at all this Play-Doh. What's inside, buddy?
I don't know.
Pop it open, let's find out. Oh, Yoda! Small but right I am.
Ah.
So this is what we found in our egg, little
Yeah.
buddy.
Look,
Cool.
hey, lunchbox.
Lunchbox!
They got that from Javon.
From your friend Siobhan, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Let's open that guy up and see what's inside.
Yeah.
Special Star Wars lunchbox. Oh, what's inside? Surprise eggs! Can I have one?
Yeah, even have one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I know. Have an idea I have. That's my Yoda impression. Let's grab one of these eggs.
Yeah.
I've got one of these cups, and we're going to put the egg there. Hang on, don't open it up. Let me deep it there. And put it. Look, I'm going to put it under. You're licking me again. And put it under the cup like that. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to try and guess where it is. And if you get it right, you can open it. Right, where is it? Ah! Where is it? Quick, you gotta pick it. You got it! Let's open it up. See what's
Let
inside.
me open it.
Here. Let's see. Yoda!
Ah.
Show everybody what you got. Lego Yoda. Show my good side, you will. Okay, little fella, I'm going to go really fast there. Here you see the eggs there. Now we're going to turn it around, the egg's going to go away, and then the egg's going to go over here, and then that. Okay, open it up. Who's that? You know who that is?
No, Luke Skywalker.
Han Solo.
Hi, Solo.
Yay! I'm Han Solo, and I shot first. Here we have our 3 cups. Look, egg.
Yay.
Under the cup. Here we go. Eggs in the cup. Eggs under the cup. Where's it going to go? Where's it going to stop? Who knows? Blah, blah, blah. Ah! Try again. Ah! Oh, you got it. Well done. Hang on. Let's see what's inside.
Ugh. He's a Chewbacca.
Ah! Can you do Chewbacca's voice? Hey! Little dude's turned into Chewbacca. Hello, my name is Chewbacca, and though I often don't speak, this is my real voice. I often just grunt and make loud sounds, but I like to speak eloquently sometimes. Okay, bud, we've got 3 left.
This egg.
That one, put it down. Yeah. Now. Where is it?
Ah.
Woohoo! Nice one, buddy. Too easy. Who's that?
Luke Skywalker.
No, who is it? The guy that taught Luke Skywalker. Yeah, he did. Obi-Wan Kenobi.
No, it's not say that.
Obi-Wan Kenobi. That's his name.
No. Kobe.
Kobe, Boby, Obi.
Obi. Hello, I'm Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Let's do this one.
Yep.
Ready? Hey, look, it's Batman! Now, Ah, yeah.
Aha.
Well done. Open it up, buddy. Who's that?
The CPU again.
C-3PO. How many C-3POs do you have?
2.
3 now.
2. I had 2.
Hello, my name is C-3PO. I like horse riding and windsail, and I don't believe in cauliflower.
Okay, buddy. Last one. Let's do this. Hey, look, it's Batman riding a horse with Wolverine and all his friends, and they're eating pizza. Look, it's over there. Right there. Look, over there. Yay! Buddy! Give me them. Nice one. Who's that? Not Luke Skywalker. What's his name? His dad. Spoiler alert. What's his name?
I forgot. Anakin Skywalker.
That's it. Oh, hang on. I don't do that yet. Oh yeah, that comes later. Whoops, sorry. Spoiler alert. So here we have our Kinder Surprise Eggs. We've got 2 packs here, and there's like 1 Star Wars toy in each pack, I think. So what we're going to do is pop these open, and we're going to give them the cup treatment, and we're going to have a look at what's inside. Alright, let's play the Kinder Surprise Star Wars Egg Surprise Kinder Egg Challenge thing with cups. Let's do it. Aha! Quick, open it up.
I don't know if it's really different. It's not really that different, but it isn't really. Look. It's nearly opened. Stop! No,
Who's that
it's actually
Oh, he's a little dinosaur. So this is not a Star Wars dinosaur. This is just a dinosaur.
a normal dinosaur.
Normal dinosaur. Yeah.
Look at all his friends at the back.
What do you got? You got a
Crocodile.
yeah. I don't know what the other ones are. I'm not good with dinosaurs.
But this one,
Thereosauruses, various assortment of sauruses.
This one is a Triceratops.
Very good.
Triceratops.
Triceratops. Holy moly! How do you know that?
I do.
I didn't even know that. You have become smarter than me.
I want to eat all of the things.
Control, you must learn control.
No! Stop!
Ah! Okay, dude. Rock and roll. Ready? Under the cup is an egg, where it goes no one knows. I can't rhyme with those words, blah 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 blah. Where is it? Yay! Nice one.
Let me just open this one now, okay?
Okay.
Star Wars!
We got the Millennium Falcon! And that's
One piece.
Han Solo's head.
Oh, there's.
I'm Han Solo. And you're getting sleepy. Sleepy. Sleep.
Hey, wake up!
Ah! We're gonna crash! Alright, let's do the next one, buddy.
No, it's me!
Okay. Off you go. You're gonna try and trick Daddy.
Hey, look, it's Batman!
Hey. That's not Batman. That's just a pile of rags.
With A!
I have no idea.
Go on!
This one? This one. I'm just gonna keep lifting until I find it! Yay! I won! Not really. Can I open it, buddy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's see. What do you got?
A car.
Monster truck.
I got this thing before. There's actually stickers of this.
You got a few of them. Incoming, not a Star Wars monster truck. Go. Run! Run! Ah!
Hey, look for that Yoda.
Where? Over there? I didn't see Yoda. There's nothing over there. What are you talking about, buddy? Oh, I have to pick the egg, do I? Is it under this one?
No.
Is it under this one?
No.
This one, yeah!
Oh, ew. It's your turn, so.
Okay, ready? Do 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 do.
Haha.
Just pick that one.
What?
I don't know. Ah!
Ah.
Ah! Open it up, bud. Let's see who's inside.
Okay.
Or what's inside. Could be Star Wars. Might not be. What is it?
A bike. Not Star Wars.
Yeah.
It's the same that thing.
It's green, like Yoda.
Yeah.
It could be a Yoda motorbike.
Look.
Hi, my name's Sprinty the motorbike, and I'm Sprinty. More like Foldy the motorbike.
Let me go. Oh, what?
Okay, you do it. You're a professional. Wow, fun and games for all the family. That's better.
He went into the bed.
He did. Oh yeah, do the cups. Yeah, do it, buddy. Do it.
Hey, look, there's Batman.
Where? I'm not going to be fooled by this again.
No.
Too late.
Hey, look, there's Batman.
Where?
I'm not ready yet.
It is Batman. Look. He's wearing his underpants on the outside of his pants.
I'm ready. He's not there anymore.
Oh. Find the egg. Find the egg. Find the egg. It's not there.
Do under there.
Ah! Ah! You open that one, I open this one.
Okay.
Let's go.
What
Okay.
if Star Wars is loser?
It's a loser. Oh, well, in that case, may the force be with you. Ready? Oh, I got, like, Minecraft. It's Minecraft.
Not Star Wars.
You got Star Wars monkey.
No, I didn't.
You totally did. You got that Star Wars monkey. So
No.
you lose.
No.
See this guy? He's a ice cream trooper.
No.
He's not a stormtrooper at all, even though he looks exactly the same. He's totally not.
No, but no, he is the stormtrooper.
Does that mean I lose? So here's Little Dude Star Wars monkeys, and here's my little guy in a aeroplane because he's totally not with Star Wars.
He is a Star Wars. He's a Star Wars stormtrooper, so that means you lose.
He's not. Look, you can totally tell. He's like some dude wearing sunglasses cruising around in a car.
No, it's a stormtrooper. You lose, I win.
As usual, I suspect. So this is our Star Wars haul, everybody. We've got all our little Lego figures here. We've got our Star Wars lunchbox, our collection of various Yodas. And these guys are not Star Wars. Thanks guys, thanks very much for watching. This has been another Ace Fun Time video, and as they say on Star Trek, bring me up, Scotty. No, I don't say that. That's not my line. Alright, where's my line? Oh yeah. You must feel the force around you. Lightsaber battle we will have. Thanks guys. See you next time. Poor guy. Poor dude.